Welcome guys, let's try to design this simple part in our Catia software, and it is isometric view of this model is given, and at bottom you can see two disks. So first of all open Catia software, go to start, mechanical design, part design, press OK. As usual, add this or plane and create one point from this reference element. Point type is coordinate and give or where it should be 0 because this point is acted as origin. Insert axis system to this point. Now let's start to design this part. So go to sketch positioning, select this ZY plane, projector point axis, and orientation is parallel to this line. Let's start to create this part. So first of all, we have to create two circles here. So create one circle here and concentric to this another circle. Another circle is here. And create another concentric circle to this. Give dimension to these two circles. So here it is given as dimension is diameter of the first is 22 and second radius value is given as 25. Move toward next circle. The radius value here is 20 and diameter of this circle is again 20. Make sure to align this circle exactly on horizontal axis. And from horizontal axis, these two circles are present at 100 mm distance. Create one line here which is tangent to this circle. And create another line which is vertical to this, and it should be tangent to this circle. Go to trim command here, trim this to unnecessarily line. Go to again line and create up to here one tangent line. Dimension for this line is 50. Make sure to make this line horizontal. Create another line which is tangent to this, and length of this is 10. Make sure this line is vertical. And let's start to create one arc here. So go to fly out to this circle, select this 3-point arc, select this first, search again, and make sure these are tangent to this line. And this also tangent. from here to here distance is given as this distance is not 70 and Q this arc length as 50, so this value is given here and delete this tangent. This line tangent this distance is 150. Now draw one line here from here to here. Now delete this there is line which are we doing wrong like this and this. Now you can see we have created fully sketched surface. Now exit the 2D sketch element and make sure you are in a part body define object. Use pad command and select the sketch. Give whatever length you want. Now you can see this sketch is this part 3D model part is created.